Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to add or update your channel description on WhatsApp so your followers instantly know what your channel is all about. Whether you're just starting out or want to refresh your channel's info, these simple steps will have your description updated in no time. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the newest features. Next, navigate to the Updates tab. This is where you'll find all your channel activity and updates from others you follow. Now, tap on your channel. This brings you to your channel's main page, where you can see all your posts and settings. Look to the top right corner and tap the three dots icon. This menu gives you access to more options for managing your channel. From the drop-down, select Channel Info. Here, you'll find all the details about your channel, including its name, icon, and description. Tap on the description field. If you haven't set a description yet, this is your chance to introduce your channel and highlight what makes it unique. If you already have a description, you can edit it here. Type in your new description. Think about what your channel offers, who it's for, and why people should follow. Use clear, engaging language and consider adding relevant keywords to make your channel more discoverable. A good description helps potential followers instantly understand your channel's value and encourages them to join. Once you're happy with your description, tap OK to save your changes. Your updated description will now be visible to everyone who visits your channel. And that's it. You've successfully updated your WhatsApp channel description. Keeping your channel info clear and up to date is a great way to attract more followers and keep your audience engaged. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.